You ever notice how some people can't relax until everything around them is clean? The bed has to be fixed, the table has to be organized, the room has to feel right. And if things get messy, they start feeling irritated without even knowing why. But this usually isn't just about cleanliness, it's psychological, because sometimes the state of your environment reflects the state of your mind.
William James once said, "The greatest weapon against stress is our ability to choose one thought over another." Most people think cleaning is just physical. You clean because something is dirty. But psychologically, it goes much deeper than that. Your brain is constantly reacting to the space around you. A messy room creates visual stress, even if you don't notice it consciously. Clothes lying around, unfinished things everywhere, random distractions in your view, and slowly, your attention becomes scattered too. That's why it often feels harder to focus in a messy environment. Your surroundings affect your mental state more than you realize. Now look at people who clean regularly. Most of them are not obsessed with cleaning itself. What they actually want is a sense of clarity and control. Cleaning creates order, and order makes the brain feel calmer. That's why many people clean when they feel stressed or emotionally overwhelmed. It gives them something simple they can control. And for a moment, their mind feels lighter too. But there's another reason this habit matters. Small, repeated actions shape behavior over time. Making your bed, putting things back immediately, cleaning regularly without being told. These habits train your brain to stop ignoring small problems. And people who handle small things consistently often become better at handling bigger things too. Their routines improve, their discipline improves, their focus becomes sharper. But here's the important part. Cleaning becomes unhealthy when it turns into emotional escape. Some people clean constantly because silence makes them uncomfortable, because staying busy feels easier than facing what they actually feel. So the habit itself is not good or bad. The real question is, what is the habit doing for you emotionally? Is it creating clarity or helping you avoid something deeper? Because your habits always reveal something about your inner state, and the more aware you become of them, the more you begin understanding yourself. If your mind has been feeling heavy lately, try something simple. Clean one small space around you, not perfectly, just intentionally. Because sometimes changing your environment changes your mental state too. And maybe that's why order feels comforting to people. Not because life becomes perfect, but because things finally feel clear again.